Hi, I'm Tammy.
And my name is Ed.
My husband and I designed this rack, and we designed it to mix up players a little bit easier. So we're going to show you how to use this. Now, the whole design of this rack is so that you don't have to move paddles. I'm sure you're like everybody else in the world who has went to courts and you put your paddle in line, and because they're moving them up, all of a sudden your paddle ends up in a different spot than where you left it. So a lot of times people will have the paddles somehow come out of line when they move them. So the whole point of this rack is to not have to ever move the paddles. So you should never ever be moving the paddles here. Right now we're going to show you how to do 2 on 2 off. So this rack right now is set up for 2 on 2 off. Now as players come in, they're just going to go right in line. So you're going to notice there's red and blue, there's won and lost. Right now that has absolutely nothing to do with 2 on 2 off. As people are coming off the courts, they are putting their paddles in order, okay? This slide right here is going to tell you where you are in the courts. So as they come off, they're going to put their paddles right in order for 2 on 2 off, and then 2 more go in, and you move the slide, okay? Then let's say 3 come off, so the 3 go right in behind. Again, we're doing 2 on 2 off. They put their 3 paddles behind, and then 3 more go out onto the courts, and you move the slide. Now let's say that all 4 players come off and they want to break. So 4 players go in behind, and 4 players come off. They all 4 go out for an open court, okay? Again, the slide tells you where you're going. Now the slide is going to go all the way to the end, and then it starts over, okay? So we're going to put all these paddles in here, and we're going to pretend like we're down to the end, okay? And let's say that 2 people come off, they go off, they're going to go in here. Okay, but the beginning of the line is here where the slide is. So the slide just keeps moving. So the next people go out onto the court. So there's 2 more went out. So that is how you do 2 on 2 off. This slide moves, the paddles never get moved. They never move. You just move the slide, and the slide tells you where the beginning of the line is. And it just keeps rotating like this. And that is for 2 on 2 off. All right, now we're going to tackle how to use the rack for 4 on 4 off. So we're going to flip the flag so that you can see from across the court that we're now doing 4 on 4 off. Okay? So when people come out, they are going to first locate the beginning of the line. This is the line, and this tells you what court goes out next. Again, we never move the paddles. So 4 people come off. These 2 players lost the game, so they're going to look and see what color is lost. Lost on this rack is red. So they are going to put their paddles in the first available red slot behind the slot. So remember, we paddled this way, so the first red slot is going to be right here and right here. Those are the players that lost. The players that won, they're going to locate the slide. They're going to locate the first blue or 1 game slot, and they're going to put them in right here. Now, the beauty of this is that these 4 are now going out on the court, and you're going to notice there's clips right here. These clips say that these people want to be together. So should somebody come off and we need to fill, we don't want to separate these 2 paddles because they want to stay together. So that's the way to stay together, and we're going to get into something in just a moment here. So all 4 players would come off the rack to go out on the court to play and then move the slide, which tells us these are the next players, okay? Now, let's say that you're a family of 4 and you want to play together, okay? So, let's say that there was nobody here. So you've got an open slot here for 2, and then there's 4 here. These 4 players want to play together, okay? So they're going to take the first available open slot, whether it's won or lost, and they can put their paddles in. Now realize they're going to have to wait a little bit longer, but they can absolutely play together with this rack, because all they're going to do is put their 4 paddles in, then they're going to grab 4 clips, and they're going to put their clips on that says, we want to stay together. Just like that. Okay? Then, when the next players come off, they're going to, again, they're going to look where the slide is, which is here, red. And the winners are going to go in the first blue. You can see there's no blue here. These are all red. So they're actually going to go right here, because this is the first blue. Okay? So then these will come off and go out on the court, and the line starts here. Okay? So the next 4 players come off. They're going to locate the slide. The slide is here. That is the beginning of the line. These 2 players, they lost the game. So they're going to go in right here. And these 2 players won the game, so they're going to be in here. Now, because these players wanted to stay together, we have an open slot. Some people will just take these players and put them in. You can do whatever you want. But the point is, we always look for the slide, and where's the slide? These are the next players to go off. Typically, we leave the paddles like this for informational purposes and teaching how to use the slide. I did turn the paddles back like this. For normal purposes, we do keep it like this so you can just go up and grab your paddle, and everybody can see where the slide is once they understand it. Thanks so much, and hope you enjoy our rack.